Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to remove your documents from the Recent section in Office programs such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So this procedure will work the same for all of them, but you will have to do it individually for each app. Alright, so you can see here we have these recent files here. So of course we could right click on it, remove from list, and do it one at a time. And if you choose the delete file option, that is going to actually delete the file, so you probably don't want to do that. And then, of course, you could click on the star here, add it to favorites, then they will show up in the favorites section. All right, so if you want to clear these out and don't want to do it manually, you could actually change the setting here, but there is a catch, and I'll show you that in a second. So if we go to Options and then Advanced, then we want to scroll down to Display. So 50 is the default, so you could change this to whatever you like, but if you change it to 0, then come back here, you can see everything's gone. But the catch is if you change it back, it's going to add them back. So if we go back here, back to Options, Advanced, Display. So let's say we change this to 5, for example. Now we'll have 5 recent documents here instead of up to 50. So that kind of limits your options. So you could either leave it at 0 and never have anything saved in the recent, or you could just change the number to lower it if you want. But like I said, if you change it to 0 and then come change it back to a different number, these files are going to come back unless you just come here, right click, and remove them individually. So I have looked for other methods to permanently remove them. You know, there are some registry edits you could do, but those don't seem to work, at least not on this version of Office, so it doesn't apply here. All right, so once again, just go to your Options, Advanced, down to Display, change this to 0, and that'll clear out everything, and it won't keep any new documents in Recent, or you could just lower the number. And then this item here for show this number of non-favorited recent folders, that is when you go to Open, and you have these folders here, so you could clear those out as well. Or not really clear them out, but you could set that to 0 if you don't want these to be shown either. So let's try that real quick. Set these both to 0 and see what happens. All right, so recent has nothing here. Let's go to Open, and then there's no recent folders here as well. So unfortunately, there is no way to clear out the recent documents without doing them one at a time or just setting this to 0. So those are your options. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.